We're expecting our dead trees to get taken down this week. So I'm doing a quick video to see the before. It's been 4.5 years since the fire. So this is the result of the last 4 years of trees coming down in the wind. If you can hear them, but there's people working on the property next door right now. And slowly the trees break and fall, mostly alders. So this will get all taken down, at least the stuff on our property. And then another crew will come on later to stack up all the dead stuff. So that'll be nice to be able to access the property again, maybe get down to the creek even. The path is way down there. There's actually a road. You can see where the grassy area is, that's a road. And then it'll go, not this grassy area, that's above it. But it'll go down there, past that hillock, and down there, past that hill. And then I don't think they're going to do the trees that are on the other side of the creek. But several of those lower ones are mine, but they'll probably have to come down on their own someday, or just rot. Anyhow, that's last looks. It'll be much prettier after all this is done and stacked. Can't wait.